Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. From the highest to the lowest vibrations, experience the sacred formulas that you use. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Self-realization requires that we know that there are qualities and degrees which we can achieve. A demon is one who chose to try to usurp of God's position in terms of their own life, at the least. We can escape some aspect or timing of death are another condition, but when and how it is decreed to occur, it will. Tolerate, but don't be a part of it. God doesn't create enemies, but they choose it. Philosophy is more than wandering thought and thinking out. May deceive. Suffering is more common when abundance is clearly available. The Jivanatman, the living liberated being, is not any less material or mental than other incarnated beings, but they know themselves as spiritual beings and control their minds and bodies toward are as a part of the ultimate reality. Remaining occupied prevents suffering. It is not that we stop action, but that we turn all action toward God consciousness. Faith alone is not liberation, but building the right attachment can be that in itself. It is not about the size or wealth of a temple or religious object, but the presence and practice. Our nature is service, and enjoyment will come when we don't make that the focus. Self-realization is to no longer be a servant of those of this world, but duty to creation is only for God. Suspicion should not proceed. If acts... shouldn't precede actions, yeah. Don't act out like people did stuff or be suspicious when you don't have reason to be suspicious. Okay, that's what I was trying to say. Don't worry about being seen as insane. Limit your expression. Life necessitates finding guides. Try to follow the actual instruction for your spiritual life in a form close to it. If you are unable to fulfill the form, a student takes on the difficulty needed to enrich the opportunity for guidance. Papachyam manana hrda turandareya samranlyevyeh Purusha Buddha Sakshanam Akalpasham Adyerodomanjasa Param Bhadam Dadashte Yathasura Harem. The burning with the heart of distress. Those with a pious reputation, those who are always absorbed in the thought of the Supreme Lord, are unable to tolerate of these people, that they rise and quickly and merely to the standard of envy as much as the demons. the Supreme Personality of Divinity. But rather than envying those who have attained to good qualities, work towards them. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the all-attractive, the all-enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.